Welcome to the European Schools Sciences Symposium from the students of the ESRM.
We are Kai and Mick, the student presidents.
We are so excited to welcome all of you to our school here in Bad Vilbel. As a European school, we are honored to host so many of you from all over Europe, and in the coming days, we are anticipating seeing all of your great work. We want to take you on a journey through the importance of science and technology in our school, and give you a taste of what ESRM does to inspire us.
Let's start with our incredible tiny forest. This is our classroom site. Here is where we get up close to nature and see science in action.
We planted this forest as a school community, and we use it in our lessons. In summer, you might find us here dissecting crickets. You'll get to see this really cool site on our school tours tomorrow.
You know that at ESRM, our passion for science and technology is ignited right from the beginning of our educational journey.
Like in the secondary, our younger students get to learn about ecology in their own vegetable garden, and they even have a robotics lab.
It is so good that they can learn about the world and technology. The primary school children are so engaged with science, and they also made a science symposium of their own. The ideas are so clever.
It is definitely not to be missed, and I think everyone should check it out when they have time. It is in the primary Mensa.
I agree. Let's now check out the secondary school. This is where the magic of experiments really grips our hearts. Not only do we have amazing facilities here where we can engage with actual science, but we also get to learn from the most incredible educators.
The European Schools Science curriculum really sets up well. We developed a thirst-for knowledge, and whether it is chemistry, biology, physics, or combination of these sciences, we can connect the dots between how everything is interlinked and consider the bigger picture.
Learning by doing and collaborating with our classmates is always a valuable use of time. We know that progress is made by group interactions. Many of you have done projects in small groups, and we are sure that you will have brought the best out of each other.
As you present at the symposium, remember that you are doing great things to advance scientific research.
You are really inspiring, and we are so impressed by all the time, effort, and commitment you have put into your projects. We wish you the best of luck with your presentations.
We know you are going to be amazing.
Have a fantastic Science Symposium 2024. Please welcome Ms. Lotz, our co-director, to the stage.